Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. In this video we are going to unbox this OnePlus 6T. But before starting our video, I got a message from one of my loving subscribers. So here is the message. Wishing Arnav a very happy birthday. God bless you and keep loving, keep sharing. So let's begin. So this is the box of this OnePlus 6T. Unlock the speed. This is the 6GB variant which comes with 128GB of internal storage. The color is mirror black. Okay, let's open this box and let's see what we are getting inside it. And as we open the box, we get the device itself. Let's see what else we are getting. The first thing is this invitation letter. Let me just take it out. An invitation letter from Pete, the CEO of OnePlus. It says 5 years old and a million stories told. Okay, let's see what else inside the box. So this is the dash charger. This is the USB Type-C cable. This phone is not having a 3.5mm headphone jack, so an extra adapter to connect your 3.5mm earphones. And this is the power adapter of your OnePlus 6T. Okay, now look at the device itself. This is the OnePlus 6T in this mirror black color. Let me just remove this plastic. Okay, let's see what else we are getting inside this. A SIM ejector tool and a quick start guide, some stickers and other paperwork stuff. This is a TPU case. Let me just remove this plastic. Okay, now let's boot it up. So while the time it's setting up, let me give you a physical overview. Here is your SIM tray, the volume up and down keys, 2 speakers and a USB Type-C slot, the power button and the alert slider, and at the top a secondary microphone for noise cancellation. At the back, the dual camera setup. Okay, let me just open this SIM tray. this is the dual nano SIM tray. So I have just finished the setup of this device. Okay, let's go to the settings. About phone. So it is running on Android 9, so we are getting Pi out of the box. Okay, now let's look at the storage. So out of 128 gigabytes of storage, 13 GB is used, so approx 10% storage is used. Okay, let's look at the camera. So the camera quality is nice. And these are some sample shots taken in my indoor lighting so that you can get a rough idea about the camera performance. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked and enjoyed my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.